Hey, I'm Palm Beach's Paul, your local realtor and guide to living in South Florida, and welcome back to the channel. So today I got a special video for you. Today we're at the Palm Beach County Convention Center here in downtown West Palm Beach, and we're at the big home and remodeling show. This is an annual event. It's a really good one. There's all types of vendors here, hurricane shutters, impact windows, designers, and there's some special guests here as well. So we're going to take you on a tour of this really cool convention that's going on here today, and we're getting started right now. So let's go inside. So we're inside, and you can see that there's all sorts of great stuff here, like one of these outdoor grills. I know my wife was actually looking for a new grill. Maybe not something to this level. These are really, nice outdoor summer kitchens, but there's everything here. So we're gonna go walk around and take a look at some of the cool stuff in here. So let's go. So I obviously found the good stuff for the house. Arcade games. I mean, who doesn't want an arcade in their house, right? Got, what we got here? We got some of our classics, Pac-Man and Miss Pac-Man, pool table. These are the things that you want in your house. I think I gotta play a game. Oh well. It's been a while since I played that one. All right, let's go keep looking around. So earlier, I was over here getting some video footage of this money thing. And funny enough, if you registered, you had a chance to get the money. They called my name. Let's see if Palm Beach's Paul can get a little extra cash. Alright guys, so this is Mauricio.
Hello, how you doing?
The Truth About Lending, and I was joking, they let me video here earlier just to get some cool footage, and then I kind of entered the contest and they actually called my name, and I get to come back and I won some money, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
Okay,
and it wasn't planned, believe me. He just happened to, because I'm not even in charge of that. It's a computer generator program that we have, and his name just happened to come up.
There, got some money for got some down payment money.
There you go.
I need a few more of those singles, but that's okay.
That's all right. I mean, they got you some.
So if you're looking for a mortgage, this guy down here, they could help you. We just met today, but hey, he was kind to me. You know me, I like supporting people. I'm gonna plug him back. So if you guys are coming down to South Florida, you need a loan. You're in South Florida, you need a loan.
We're here for you guys.
Give this guy a call. They're awesome. They're super nice too.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, brother.
Alrighty.
There's something for everyone and everyone's needs. Impact windows, really cool kitchens, and of course, these awesome whirlpools. I mean, check these things out, man. These are definitely the way to go. Kick back, look, someone's already got a beer over here waiting for me on this one. So, pretty cool. You got your jets, kick back, relax. Nice way to chill out in paradise. All right, I've heard all about these purple beds. I gotta try this out myself. Oh. Yeah, It's pretty darn soft. I could get used to this. So I've been walking around for a little bit. I think I need a little bit of relaxation. I'm gonna check out this chair. Okay, seriously, I could really use one of these after being out on the road showing homes all day. Oh my God, that's good. So this is the Brio Plus, and brand new, which these are, but these are floor models, but they're basically about $6,500. But the floor models, I think you said, are like, you know, $5,600, somewhere there. Either way, it's a really nice high-end massage chair. Oh, it's getting my lower back. All right, I'm just gonna sit here and relax. Holy cow. I think I've died and gone to paradise. So when I was a kid, my dad had an organ in the house. He used to play it all the time. It actually got me into playing the drums. These are pretty nice. These are Yamahas. These are really nice. But he had an organ. He played that thing all the time. So golfing is not my game, but I have 2 dogs and I have a backyard and I'm always having to mow it. This could be really cool. If you do not want to deal with lawn work anymore, then you have this Forever Lawn. These guys are local, and they'll come out and you can get an estimate and have, you know, artificial grass put in your backyard. And my friend has this in his backyard and he absolutely loves it. Matter of fact, when his dog goes to the restroom, they just hose it off. No problem, no mess, and the guy never has to mow his lawn. So while I'm out there sweating and dying in the heat, he's chilling out having a beer somewhere. So maybe I need to get this for my house. And if you're gonna live in a place that we call paradise, you might as well make it look like paradise. This is really cool. Outdoor lighting, check this out. Light up all the trees. It's really neat when you see the palm trees all lit up at night, especially Christmas time with the holiday lights. It makes it really beautiful. So far it's been a great show, lots of really neat and interesting things. As you can see, you know, there's a lot of great vendors here. If you're gonna be moving to South Florida, these are some of the services that you might need. Like this one back here, we got, what is this, solar solutions, right? So all those things, you know, redoing your kitchen. I mean, look at this, this is like, this right here is like top end. I mean, so look at this thing. All right, so that's going to be for a really nice high-end kitchen, but you know, if you want that, this is what you find here at the home show. You can find those kind of things. Welcome to Palm Beach Falls Tiki Bar. What can I serve you? Now this is, out of all the stuff I've seen at the show, this is what I definitely need in the backyard. I need my own tiki bar. I mean, come on, with a name like Palm Beach Falls, gotta have a tiki bar, right? So like I said, you can find pretty much anything you want here. Showers, AC, insurance companies, power generators, which you saw over there, which, hey, with the hurricane season coming up, those are gonna be important to have. And some of those are the really big full house generators. So those are obviously different than just the ones you could go pick up at the Home Depot. But it is roof, windows, solar power, beds. That massage chair was absolutely awesome. So they have pretty much anything and everything that you would expect at a home show. Now, they do have a special speaker coming on here in about 5 minutes. If you've watched $1 Million Listing Los Angeles, they have James Harris who's here, and he's actually going to be speaking up on stage in just a little bit. So I'm going to head over there and I'm going to take a look and see Mr. Harris.
Thank you. So funny to hear former stars.
All right, so as I said, here's James. Yeah, we're here down here in Palm Beach County, right?
Yes,
Paradise?
Yes, sir. It is paradise, by
It
the way.
is, it is. So
humid too. Look at the hair. It's not good at all.
So you may recognize this guy. He was on $1 Million Listing Los Angeles, but he's gone on some new things he's doing. Also, if you want to subscribe to his Blue Note, which I did, by the way.
The Blueprint.
Blueprint. I'm sorry, the Blueprint.
Blueprint.com.
So, and that's a really cool thing, by the way. It's great information every day.
Thank you, my
but
friend.
what's got you down here in South Florida besides the home show?
I'm at the Home Design Show, enjoying the beautiful weather with my wife, hanging out, and just
Nice.
having a great time.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Rooftop's a great restaurant over here.
Excellent. I'll check it out.
Yeah, so, all right, guys. That's he's got things to go do. He's busy. Thanks, brother. I appreciate
Thank you,
it.
man. All the best.
All right, so that was the 2022 home show here in Palm Beach County. It's a great show, lots of good vendors. Those are all, services that you could use if you're going to be buying a house or already have a house here in South Florida. I want to give a special thanks to Mr. James Harris. That was very nice of him to come on my channel and talk to me for a few seconds. Busy guy. He's down here, probably, I think he's going out to dinner with his wife. So, but anyway, so hope you guys liked it. Be sure to click the links at the end of the video. And as always, when you're in the Palm Beaches, get out and enjoy paradise. Talk to you next week.